Chris Holmstrom.
And I'm Amy Johnson. Our top story here on KCAL9 News and streaming on CBS in Los Angeles. A pandemic perfect storm of unvaccinated people, plus the fast-spreading Delta variant is sending COVID cases in LA County soaring to levels not seen in months.
Yeah, that's right. Millions of people who are eligible to get vaccinated just are not doing it. KCAL9's Jeff Nguyen spoke with the local man hospitalized tonight with coronavirus. He joins us live from Tarzana with more. Jeff.
Chris and Amy, across Southern California, there is a troubling trend. New coronavirus cases are on the rise, and the patients have something in common.
I'd rather people not go through what I went through.
Greg Datastanian was against the COVID vaccine until he landed in the ICU.
Going through this COVID, and if you can have a vaccine and get at least 50% less than what I went through, I would encourage you to get it.
The vast majority of patients that are becoming hospitalized, that are becoming sick, are patients that were not vaccinated.
Dr. Thomas Yadegar is Datastanian's physician at Providence Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Tarzana. He says he's been seeing an uptick in people in their 30s and 40s contracting coronavirus. Only a few who tested positive were fully vaccinated.
Yes, you could still contract the virus, but you won't nearly get as sick. You won't need to be hospitalized, and you won't need to die unnecessarily.
That straight talk comes in the wake of new data from the Department of Public Health in LA County, where there have been more than 1,000 new COVID cases in the past 3 days. The trend has been seen across the country as the highly transmissible Delta variant continues to spread, which has led to questions about the need for a booster shot.
Certainly, it is entirely conceivable, maybe likely, that at some time we will need a boost. It may be differentially needed depending upon the age of individuals and their underlying conditions.
Datastanian has been transferred to the Progressive Care Unit, where he has a message for anyone who's on the fence about vaccination.
Think about getting vaccinated. That can save them from going through what I went through.
So far in LA County, more than 4.6 million people are fully vaccinated. Of them, only 0.06% have tested positive for COVID. We're live in Tarzana. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL9 News.
All right, Jeff, thanks for that update.